Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate the photo with the celebrity that's been going around everywhere. So go to Google Gemini. I still can't pronounce that. It's been like a few videos now. You're going to put this prompt here and you're going to take a picture of yourself with, I don't know, like a famous person, and just paste it here. You can kind of alterate the prompt, but that's the prompt itself, and this is what it should look like at the end. These are just two random people off of a site. Like, these are just models, they're not like celebrities, but like this is just an example. So this is what it should look like at the end. If you want to, you can make it a little bit more blurry so it doesn't look high def, but these photos that I took are a little bit high definition, so it looks like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oops. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.